Now I will tell you about timing object. Sometimes in JavaScript we have to execute some scripts for a limited time. So a new feature is added to JavaScript, which is this timing object. It has four methods. Methods. Its methods are set timeout, then we have set interval, after that we have clear timeout, and also we have clear interval. So let's first discuss about set timeout. Okay, in set timeout we used to fix a time and according to which our script is to be get executed. So its syntax is set time out, and then in the parenthesis we will write the function name, the function which we would like to call, and then we write here the time limit. Okay, now I need to call the function using this, and this time limit, okay, there is a mistake. This time limit is to be given in the milliseconds. So now first I will create a function. I will write function to show data, and in this function I will write alert, then we write some string to show set timeout is running. Okay, then we have to call the function. So I will write a variable time is equals to set timeout. I am calling this function using set timeout method. So in this set timeout method I have to first write the function name, which is show data, then I will use comma, and then I will write the time limit within the milliseconds. So I write here 4000, then a semicolon. I have written 4000 here because 1 second has 1000 milliseconds, and I want to call this function after 4 seconds, so I have given 4000 milliseconds. So delete this, and now save the file and refresh your web page. You have to wait here for the 4 seconds, and okay, here we are getting the alert box. So this is how you have to use set timeout when you need to execute your script after a limited time. Now the next is clear timeout. Whenever we set the timeout function, we must have to use clear timeout, because then it will not run the selected script again. You might have seen on some website that when you visit them, they used to open new window or pop-ups. So if you don't clear timeout, then it will open, or then it will keep on opening windows after some time. So you must have to give clear timeout. And now the next is set interval. It is as similar as the set timeout function, set timeout method, sorry, and the difference is only that it will execute the script after given interval again and again. So you just have to write here set interval, then in the brackets the function name and the time limit. Okay, now save this and reload the web page. Okay, here I am getting the alert box. Now when I click on OK button, it will show me again after continuing to 4 seconds. Wait for a few seconds, click on OK, then again wait for 4 seconds and OK, then we have to wait for 4 seconds, then okay. So through this way a loop is generated with a time interval of 4 seconds. Now we have created an infinite loop, and we are going to get this pop box again and again. Now to stop this infinite loop, we have to use clear interval method, which will stop this infinite loop. So in the called function, you just have to write, in this function you have to write clear timeout method, and in this parenthesis we have to pass the variable that we have used to call the set interval function. So I will write this variable name here, that is time, then a semicolon. Now save your file and reload the web page. You just have to wait for 4 seconds. Here is the first pop-up box, and click on OK button, and let's wait for another 4 seconds. Okay, we are not getting the pop box again because the time interval set it is now cleared. So this was all about timing object and the methods in timing object. Thank you.